Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our physical education class, that is chapter 7. Today, part 8, physiology and injuries in sports. Today, we will see the muscle injury. In soft tissue injuries, we will see what are the muscle injuries. Muscle injuries such as cramp, strain, sprain, etc. First of all, what is a cramp? Cramp is inability of muscles to contract properly, causing severe pain over affected part. In other words, this is unbalanced contraction of muscles. What are the causes of cramp? Causes of cramp are due to overstraining, that is without taking rest. Overstraining of muscles. Second one, loss of body water by sweating. Third one, physical activity during sickness. Fourth one, loss or lack of body salts or mineral. Fifth one, physical activity during extreme bad climate or weather. Sixth one, not performing proper warming up, etc. Next, we have to see the first aid and management of cramp. Here, complete rest to the affected individual should be given. Then, drink sufficient water during prolonged activity. That is, preferably salty lemon water or juices are preferred. Then, massage over affected part after some time. Then, if pain is more, apply ice or cold compression for some duration. Then, last one, preventing overexertion of muscles in excessive hot or cold climate. Now, children, the next muscle injury is strain. Here, strain, this injury is also named as muscle pull. It is the injury of muscles which is caused by the overstress or overstretch of muscles or tendons or due to violent pull. In other words, this is caused by the violent stretch of muscles beyond its normal limit. In strain injuries, muscle fibers get damaged or ruptured. It causes acute pain around the affected part, loss of function of injured muscles, local inflammation and swelling over the infected part. Mild strain is also known as cramp. It can be prevented by performing proper warming up and avoiding jerky movements or actions. Now the next one is first aid and management of strain injury. In this, the standard treatment for strain also involves the RICE, R-I-C-E, RICE. Procedure is rest, ice, compression and elevation. This treatment is vital during the first 72 hours as healing will occur rapidly thereafter. In strain injury, the individual or the sports person should be given first rest to the player and completely restrict the movement of affected part. Then second one, immediately apply cold compression or ice over the affected part to stop internal bleeding. Then compressed bandage should be applied over the affected part to reduce the swelling. Fourth point, elevate the affected part above the level of hurt by splint or support. Then after 2 days, apply inflammatory cream to reduce swelling and give gentle massage to the muscles, or perform contrast bath, that is hold for some time hot bath, then cold bath, to reduce the swelling. Last but not least, after the treatment is over, the complete recovery is gained by rehabilitation. Perform rehabilitation exercises or physiotherapy to regain strength to the muscles. This should be performed in progressive manner.